Well, I would say local, but and not the government, because well, you wouldn't trust the government.
Probably Westminster.
Well, I don't trust anybody.
Literally nobody in politics.
I'm not sure how much trust I have in anybody.
So trust our local government anyway.
Neither.
A mixture of Westminster.
Westminster government more than the local government.
Probably my local council.
The council.
Probably Westminster.
Not Westminster, I can't trust.
Local councils. Because they know the area, they know the people, and they've got our best interests at heart.
No, the same. You know, I pay my council tax and all that kind of stuff there, and minimal happens.
Basically, I mean, somebody who you can actually go and talk to is going to be more accountable than somebody you'll never ever get to speak to.
You vote one side and then they combine and they produce results that are not exactly ideal.
I know where the council are, I know where to go and make a complaint, and clearly if they don't deliver on the services, it's very visible.
Westminster, they get paid too much, and they're not doing anything anyway.
I don't trust any of them. They're all as bad as each other.